2019 Hyundai Tucson revealed, a week after the 2018 sport model. Hyundai is pulling a fast one on us at the 2018 New York Auto Show by debuting the 2019 Hyundai Tucson, which is notable because we got word about the new 2018 Tucson sport model a week ago. The compact crossover gets a pretty thorough redesign that includes a new grille, updated interior, and additional tech features. The most visible changes are the new grille and LED daytime running lights, which bring the Tucson more in line with Hyundai's other new products, the Santa Fe, Veloster, and new Kona. The taillights are also updated, along with the front and rear end of the Q2. There are new 18-inch wheels on the cell trim models, while the 17 and 19-inch wheels have been redesigned. There are new chrome accents on the limited model as well. All cars get a new shark fin-like antenna. The interior has been revised with tweaks to the cluster, center stack, rear view mirror and leather seats. There's new tech features inside the cabin as well, including the USB charging port in the second row of cell models and a Qi wireless charging pad in the limited trim models. The 2019 Hyundai Tucson also gets standard forward collision warning and lane keeping assistance systems, and can now be equipped with a driver attention warning system, a surround view camera, and adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capabilities. Other additions to the 2019 model include an electric parking brake, and while high beam assist and rain sensing wipers have become new options to add to the crossover.